Home Link 8.3, Solving Remodeling Problems. In our lesson today, we applied length, area, and volume concepts to plan for something. You guys did an aquarium in class. Now we're working on something else. So it says Therese is remodeling her bedroom. A drawing of her bedroom is shown below. Solve these remodeling problems. Show your work. So it says, how many square feet of carpet should Therese buy to cover the entire floor of her room? So you have a lot of length. You have all these different lengths. So we know we can make one rectangle here. If we extend this red line out, Miss DeWar is not going to be perfect. So that's 10 feet by 7.5 feet. So I'm going to go 7.5 times 10. You need to do the work to figure out the answer. Equals something. Next, we have this 4.5, which is right here. That is 4.5, and it's by 6. So we're talking about this little square here. So again, 4.5 times 6 equals something. You figure it out. Then you need to take the 7.5 times 10 number and add it to your 4.5 times 6 to get your answer. Equals your total feet squared. And that is how much carpet she should have. The next one says, which air conditioner should Teresa buy for her room? So you're going to have to figure out the volume of her room. So the lengths times the widths. So what you need to do is take the answers you got from above. So 7.5 times 10. So that's 7.5 by 10 is this 10 by 7 square, 7.5 foot square up top here. And our height is 9 feet all the way around. So you have your two squares, so you need to, whatever answer you got that I marked in the red, you need to multiply that by 9. So down here for your help, your red answer, so that's your length times your width, your area, times 9, and that's what I marked in the green, that's our height, equals a new answer. And let's make this in purple, so that equals something. You also need to take your orange answer, what I marked in the orange, I don't know what you marked it in. That was the 4.5 times 6 times 9, because that is still our height all around the bedroom, equals something. And then add those two together. So then you'll pick. And then your answers should be, Therese should buy the, pick one, because the volume of her room is something. So whatever one you picked is big enough, and tell me why maybe the other ones are too big or too small. Down at the bottom, it says practice, solve, show your work on the back of this page. We have been going over this a lot. You can either do the area model or you can do the improper fraction. So our improper fraction model, you take your denominator, so 4, times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19 over 4 times 1 over 2. You go straight across. 19 times 1 is 19. 4 times 2 is 8. Ice cream sundae. And then you need to reduce it or turn it back into a mixed number. So 8 goes into 19 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. (19 minus 6 is 3 over 8. Do the next one on your own.